Hello and welcome to Mr. Pumpkin's Tech Blog. In this quick video tutorial, we are going to see how to export Outlook emails to PDF. For that, you need Outlook Classic version because the new versions don't have the PDF export options. So if you don't have the Classic version, you can watch my previous video to install Outlook Classic in your Windows 11 PC. If you already have Outlook Classic, then let's head over to Start menu and open the Outlook Classic app in your PC. Now you can see you have all the emails that you are in your inbox. For exporting it to the PDF, you need to select the email you want to export and then head over to the File menu. Once you are under the File menu, you need to go to the Print option. Once you are in the Print option, you need to select Microsoft Print to PDF. This will not print your document, but it will save it as a PDF. Now you need to click on the print button. It will ask you to save the file in your PC. You enter a name and just click on OK, and then it will be saved as a PDF in your PC. Just to check it, we will head over to the location and open that PDF file. So I have saved it as an email PDF. So now you can see that particular email is saved as a document. And if you want to save multiple emails in a single PDF, you can also do that. Then head over again to the Outlook Classic. For that, you need to select the emails that you want to print as a PDF. Once you are done by selecting your emails, you need to go back to the print menu and then select the print Microsoft Print to PDF, then click on the print button. So it will ask you again for a file name. I will just override the previous file for this demonstration purpose, and it will then again generate the PDF with all the emails in one single PDF file. So this way you can keep multiple emails in a single PDF and share it as an attachment to anyone, or you can even print it with a physical printer. So I hope this short video is helpful for you. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I will see you into the next video. Bye for now.